Welcome to KOH Korean class. Let's step into our Hangeul consonants. There are 19 consonants we need to learn, but don't worry. We can memorize them just based on 10 consonants. So we're gonna learn the 10 consonants first in this video, and later we'll finish the other consonants. Consonants cannot be pronounced without a vowel properly, so I'll just add randomly a sound for convenience. The first one looks like a mouth, so it's ma, ma. Here's na sound, na, na. It looks like a nose, so remember the N sound. Here's a circle. If a circle is the onset, we learn that it marks no consonant. It's silent. But at the bottom of a syllable, it marks ang sound. Ang, ang, ang. The next one is this. It sounds in two ways. If it's the onset of a syllable, it's la, ra, la. It's not the R sound. Tap the roof of your mouth with the tip of your tongue shortly. But when it comes at the bottom of a syllable or comes in a row, it sounds like al, or Allah, Allah. Put your tongue widely and slowly on the roof of your mouth. Remember, 랄라랄, 랄라랄. Here you can see all the rules at once. The bottoms are al, al, and the onsets are ra, ra. And this middle one comes right next to another twin, so it becomes the L sound. So, 랄라랄, 랄라랄. This one looks like a hat, so it's H sound, ha, ha, ha. But it has its identity only at the first position of a word. You barely can hear this when it's inside a word, because it becomes too weak. Aha, aha, aha. And the hat can be in this shape. They both are identical. From now on, we'll look at 5 consonants. These consonants have their own family and they are the representatives of the family members. In the next video, we'll see the other members. So now, the first representative is this. This character looks like a picture of pigs and bridges between them. So remember the P and B, because it sounds somewhere between P and B. Pa, pa, pa. Slightly closer to P. And if it's between vowels, it gets much closer to the B sound, like aba, aba, aba. So this would be pa-ba, 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 P and B. So it's the representative of the P family. We'll see the rest of the P family members in our next video. This has a sound between K and G. Ka, ka, ka. It looks like a gun, a Korean-style gun. So you can memorize it's a K gun. Again, it sounds a little bit closer to K. And this character can be used in this shape. They are the same characters. And as pa-ba, it also becomes closer to the G sound when it locates between vowels. Aga, aga, aga. So this would be kaga, 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 the representative of the K family. Next one. Here you can imagine a tunnel digger is here. See it through your mind. A tunnel digger. Remember the T and D. The pronunciation principle is identical. It's basically ta, 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 closer to T sound. But if it's between vowels, it's ada, 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 gets closer to D. So this is tada, tada, 다다. It's the base of the T family. Now here's a wall and chargers are plugged in. So remember charger. Let's use Z here not to be confused. So it's the CH and Z. The identical rule is applied. Basically, it's 자, 자, 자. But between vowels, it's 아자, 아자, 아자. So this would be 자자, 자자, 자자. It'll be the base of the CH family. Here, for this character, another rule will be applied. So we need to borrow a Japanese word, sushi, because it sounds in these two ways, S and SH. It's not between S and SH, but it has the two pronunciations. It's basically S like 사, 사, 사. But if it's before E or Y sounds like ya, yo, yo, you, yeah, then it becomes SH like she, she, she. So this is 사시, 사시, 사시. It's the base for S family. Oh, and 자 and 사 can be written in this shape, like 가. Okay, we've covered up our 10 basic consonants. In our next video, you can see the other members of the 5 families, and also several essential rules for the bottom consonants of a syllable. So, see you!